Welcome to ISC Class 11 Maths tutorial. The topic is complex numbers. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूं. चेहरे पर एक और भी चेहरा लगाइए, चेहरे पर एक और भी चेहरा लगाइए, दिल चाहे रो रहा हो मगर मुस्कुराइए, दिल चाहे रो रहा हो मगर मुस्कुराइए. थैंक यू. Today's topic is cube roots of unity. Cube roots of unity. We are going to learn how to find out the cube roots of unity. Alright, that is the question. That means we have to find out this. This is how we write cube root of unity. This we are going to find out. Okay, so we write let x is equal to this much. We have to find out this cube root of unity. We are supposing x is equal to cube root of unity. Alright, therefore x cube is equal to 1. Alright, now transpose 1 from right hand side to the left hand side and we write x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. X cube as it is, therefore x cube as it is minus as it is 1, we can write down 1 cube. Why are we writing 1 cube? Now we have x cube minus 1 cube, where we can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Alright, so now this is a cube minus b cube and the formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to, in one bracket, a minus b, and then another bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. So that formula I am applying here. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. The formula you can write down here. Please write down here the formula that you are using. A cube minus b cube formula you can write down here. You can give here a cube minus b cube. You can write down here a cube and minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. This is equal to. Alright? That formula you please write down. In one bracket a minus b, and here it is a square plus ab plus b square. Alright, formula you know. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Fine. After this, the product is 0. So when x minus 1 equal to 0, we get one value, and when this is equal to 0, x square plus x plus 1, we get other values. So after this we write, therefore x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when x minus 1 is equal to 0, when x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. When x minus 1 is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 1. This is one of the values, x is equal to 1. Okay, now we solve this when x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Alright? Now when x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this we have to solve. This is a quadratic equation using the formula. You know the formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Alright, we have done in ICSC class 10. So that formula we'll use. So if we compare this with the standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c, alright, if you want I can do that. A x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard quadratic equation. If you call this equation number alpha, and if you call this equation number beta, so on equating alpha and beta, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. Alright? So therefore we write a is equal to, we get, so we can write down here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Alright, now in the formula let us substitute. The formula is, since x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the formula. In this formula we substitute and we get, then we get, that is equal to minus b means minus 1 because b is 1 plus minus root b square means 1 square. Alright, b square minus 4, a is 1, so 4 into 1 and into c is also 1. 4ac whole divided by 2a, 2 into a1. Simple substitution in the formula, this formula, alright, and this we have done in class 10, ICC class 10. So this is equal to, then we can write down minus 1 plus minus root, how much? 1 square is 1 and minus 4, that means 1 minus 4. Alright, so 1 minus 4, directly I could have written down minus 3, but it's okay. Fine. Minus 1 plus minus this much. Alright. Now after this we can write down that is equal to minus 1 plus minus root minus 3. Alright? Root minus 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. And this we can write down. This we can write down to and minus 1 as it is plus minus root 3 as it is, and minus 1 we can write down I square, because I square is minus 1. Minus 3 means minus 1 into 3, so minus 1 into 3, 3 is 3 as it is, minus 1 means I square, because I square is equal to minus 1, we have done complex numbers. Fine. Now this we can write down, this is equal to 2, and this is minus 1 plus minus, and can I write down like this, root 3 and I outside, because we are taking a square root, no? I square becomes I. Alright, so don't extend this till here, because this is now outside this effect of square root. Alright, otherwise you can write down I root 3 if there is any confusion. Root 3 into I or I root 3. Alright, fine. Therefore x is equal to, therefore x is equal to how much? Minus 1 plus root 3i and whole divided by 2, and the other value will be x is equal to minus 1 minus root 3i whole divided by 2. Fine, two values, no, plus minus, so minus 1 plus root 3i whole divided by 2, and minus 1 minus root 3i whole divided by 2. Fine. So thus we got three values. First value is 1, in the beginning we got x is equal to 1, and two values here, x is equal to this and this. These are complex numbers. So these are the three cube roots of unity. Out of these, first let me write down the three cube roots of unity. Alright, then we can write down. Thus, you can write down thus. Thus, the three cube roots of unity are, you can write down, right? Thus, the three cube roots of unity. Thus, the three cube roots of unity are, first is 1, alright, 1, and then second is this one, minus 1 plus root 3i whole divided by 2, and minus 1 minus root 3i whole divided by 2. Thus the three cube roots of unity are 1, which already we got, minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, and minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Alright, so these are the three cube roots of unity. Now the one interesting fact is, out of these three cube roots of unity, one is real and the other two are complex numbers. You know, they are in terms of I is a complex number, right? When you have I, that is complex number. Alright, so one out of the three cube roots of unity, one is real, the other two, they are complex numbers. Fine. Now if we write this, so 1 as it is, we can write down like this also, 1 as it is, or you can write down like this also, 1 as it is. If you write down this as omega, then this is omega square. Alright, so we remember this, the three cube roots of unity are 1 omega and omega square. 1, if this is omega, then this is omega square. And if you call this as omega, then this will be omega square. This we will prove in my next lecture, that each complex number, each complex complex cube root of unity, let me say that, each, either this or this, each complex cube root of unity is the square of the other. Right? Each complex, for example, this complex cube root of unity will be the square of this. And that's why you see, no, this is omega, so this becomes omega square. Fine? Clear? So this I'll prove in my next lecture. So I hope everything is very, very clear. Fine? Okay then. Thank you so much. Thanks.